Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a window positions profile in DisplayFusion. The first step will always be to arrange your windows in the way you want them to be arranged. The first method is quite simple. Right-click on the DisplayFusion icon, go to Window Positions Profile, Save Profile, New Profile. Then click OK to save. You can also load profiles with this method by going back to Window Positions Profile, Load Profile, and clicking on the profile you want to load. The second method of creating a window positions profile is by going into Settings. So right-click on the DisplayFusion icon, go to Settings, click on Window Position Profile, New Profile, click OK, then Apply. Now we can load it back up in Settings by clicking the profile we want to load and then Load. You can also set key combinations for profiles by selecting the profile, clicking Edit, click Set Hotkey, and then setting your desired key combination. You can also assign Windows Positions profiles to monitor profiles. So when that monitor profile is loaded or detected by DisplayFusion, it'll be automatically loaded instead of you having to manually load it yourself. And that's how you create window positions profiles in DisplayFusion. Thank you for watching.